Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TD app and delete saved credit cards in app. Complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the TD app, begin by locating the app on your device's home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove. If prompted, confirm your choice to uninstall the app. Next, open your device's settings. Navigate to the Apps or Applications section. Find and select the TD app from the list. Tap on the app to access its settings. Here, you may see options related to data and cache. If you wish to clear any stored data before uninstalling, look for Clear Data and Clear Cache. Now that you have uninstalled the TD app, let's move on to deleting saved credit cards within the app. Reinstall the TD app from your device's app store if you plan to delete saved credit cards. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account. Navigate to the Settings or Account section within the app. Look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Saved Cards. Select the saved credit card you wish to delete. There should be an option to delete or remove the card. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Repeat this process for any other saved credit cards you want to remove. Once you have cleared your saved payment information, you can log out of the app if you're done. To ensure all information is fully removed, consider uninstalling the app again if needed. This completes your guide on uninstalling the TD app and deleting saved credit cards in-app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.